Oh my God, ayolas, fucking hell. Good morning, welcome to what's gonna be vlog 19. I landed home last night. I was in Germany for 2 weeks. I had an injury, I'm not sure if I'm even able to surf yet. I was out for 6 weeks. I had a lower back hernia, so I was training a lot in Germany, and now I'm here, super excited. I'm gonna go check the waves with my mates now, and I hope it's big. It looks like we have some size already, and oh my God, está gigante. So yeah, let's hope I can make some nice drops and enjoy the day with my mates. Dude, it's breaking in the middle of the bay. Fucking where we going is white water everywhere. Looking good. I was not really trusting the swell. You can never trust the swell on the Canaries, because big swells are always shit, at least on our island. But it looks like it's at least here. I don't know, but people are excited and can't hide it. Dios, rompe en medio del mar. ¿Tú le darías? Sí, vamos.
A ver, si tú vas, yo te voy.
Sí. Pero tengo una cosa, aquí si esto está movido, comes más aquí que en la derecha.
Ya.
Sí. Sí, en plan, solo estaba surfeando aquí y... Men, es una derecha, no me jodas. Iker, ¿llevaste casco?
Sí.
Bien. A Teo le tuve que convencer, imagínate. No sé, yo el día que casi la palmo fue cuando estaba así. So we checked the first spot. There's like pretty big intervals because of the long period. In between sets, it's pretty much flat, and then we saw one set that was pretty massive, not really in place. So we're gonna check somewhere else that normally doesn't max out. Not much more to say.
¿Tienes tabla?
See, it's pumping, and we're gonna go surf. Big shaka. Big shaka?
Big Shaka.
Big shaka. Wow, el viento está bueno, también, de momento. Déjame, que me siga, que me des tu quilla, coño. Esa tabla te da con el canto en la cara y que, adiós. Buah, no cabe, tío. We're fucking on. I've never used anything longer than a 8.0 on this island. I don't think I need anything more than an 8.0, but I really want to try this board. I've had it for 3 years and excited. Let's go with the boys.
Forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. 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 Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those who died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. 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 You're under control. Now you do what they told you. You're under control. Now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Come on.
De nada. Yo, qué heavy, bro. Qué bueno, Ah, pero cuando me cambiaste la tabla estuvo guay, Porque luego,
te vi un carring la primera vez que te pillaste con mi tabla.
Sí, porque ya, lo que luego la bomba no la cojo, pero luego con la tuya hago un poco de carving tal. Espera.
Y, tío, entré comiendo.
Nosotros estábamos comiendo o
Estamos remando 10 minutos ahí y no nos movíamos.
Pero esto es un vídeo,
¿Qué es? No sé ni lo que es.
¿Quién es ese tío, ¿Qué tío?
Que nos está grabando.
¿Quién es este, tío?
¿Qué va?
Hay un loco aquí grabándonos. Cuando vi la primera bomba me estaba... Y dije, uy, ya no salió
me
la
mira así
salchicha.
y me dice...
Estaba
"Bro, me
ya...
estoy cagando, literalmente".
Te lo juro.
El mismo efecto que el café mañanero, eso.
Wow, no te lo cuando vi la primera me dije, wow. Y ahí empecé a todo el baño con ganas de cagarme.
It was fucking epic session in the beginning. We were like... in the beginning we were like a little bit lost, you know. The current was weird, and then Iker got a set on the head. Then another one, he broke his board, which was fucking shit. I think he was crying. And then I had a few on the gun. I think I got a pretty solid one, and then I switched with Eloy because he was struggling on the 7.2. Then he charged. The boys came. They charged. We all fucking charged. I'm super stoked. I've always wanted to make a vlog at home with the boys, and we had a lot of expectations, to be honest, which is never good. And it's turned out just the way we wanted. So I'm fucking stoked. My lower back seems to work. I was pain-free. Also with adrenaline, I don't know. Maybe I would have had pain in a different session, but it was definitely so. Like, I'm so grateful and stoked to be back in the water after 6 weeks. I was in Germany, it was just raining and snowing sometimes, shit weather. It's always good to be in the water, and if it's on a day like today, it was just me and my friends out there, just us, and it was amazing. We're gonna have some lunch now, well-earned lunch. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of making vlogs at home. A lot of waves that I surf I cannot show or film, or I don't want to show either. But this type of stuff, I think it's cool, and so yeah. Big shaka. See you in the next one. Ciao.